Are you looking to get rid of sagging skin without going under the knife?
Heather Lake live in East Village with some of the newest techniques. Hello, Heather.
Hello, you guys. So I want you to take a very close look to this in the morning. I know it might be a lot, but this is definitely something new and innovative coming to San Diego. It's using lasers as opposed to going under the knife to tighten the skin. So you're going from the inside of the skin. It's the first time this has ever been used here in San Diego. Now, Dr. Nowak, this is really neat because you guys actually got this. Where did this all come from?
So this is a laser that was originally used for people with snoring and sleep apnea. So they were tightening the back of the throat, and the patients were coming in and saying, not only is my snoring better, but my lines and wrinkles are getting better. So this is a protocol that actually goes, it's called a 4D, so it goes on 4 depths or 4 different layers. So we did the first layer from the inside of the mouth to tighten from the underside. We will then do a surface treatment on the skin. We'll do a deeper heating, and then we can actually do a surface peeling on the skin.
Okay, is any of this painful? Everyone's first question is, if I'm not going under the knife, is any of it going to hurt?
So this young lady is very comfortable with the first 3 steps. The 4th step, we will do it with a topical numbing medication, but I can customize it anywhere from no downtime to a light peel to going to a more aggressive peel. So it's very customized based on what the individual person needs.
Okay, but you won't need to go under or get cut open.
Under the knife. It is a series of treatments, and realistically, for every decade of life, we could probably use 1 treatment. Okay, so that someone that's 30 probably needs 2 to 3, someone that's 40, 3 to 4, but it depends on how much sun damage, how well they've taken care of their skin, and what their goals are.
And we can see you worked on one side already, so she's got a little redness over here, and you worked on the inside and then the outside. Yes. How quickly will you start to see that tightening?
Well, we'll see some tightening immediately. I mean, if we look from one side versus the other, we see that there's some tightening and smoothing here already. This is going to go on and tighten the skin for several months, but her next treatment will be done 4 to 6 weeks out based on the treatment we're going to do today for her.
Okay, I want to show this picture on the wall over here. So this is a before and after photo, and this is actually, I think it's the same patient. She's sitting right there. She's been doing this treatment for a little while, so this is before, and you can see some of the lines in there, and then you can see them lightening up in here, and the same with her eyes when you look at underneath the eyes and on the sides. So people looking for those style of results are going to get them from this kind of treatment. I obviously would guess that it's not an inexpensive treatment, but a lot of people that are going and looking for these kind of results are also willing to spend the money. So how much would one of these full laser treatments take?
So a full face 4-level treatment would be $1,500. Although if they do a series or a package, they're going to get prices that are better than that.
Okay, and then what do you have there in your hand?
So this is showing the 3rd step, and this is a thermal camera, so we can actually see the temperature of the skin. We can actually see how we're heating the skin nice and evenly. And so this is really something also that helps to revolutionize this treatment.
Isn't it interesting how we can heat the skin outside with the sun and that damages it, and then all of this other stuff is supposed to help it? That confuses me.
Well, lasers are very specific wavelength or color, so they target very specific things. The sun, you're getting a broad spectrum of light. You're getting ultraviolet light that's actually damaging the skin, so the totally different wavelength than what we're using here to treat and improve the skin.
Can we see that laser one more time? I'm going to send it back to the studio for them for now, but I want them to see how this works one more time for everyone at home. I definitely am just so curious about all of this and holding on to my youth still. Thank goodness, because I know there's so many different treatments out there for people trying to decrease or rewind the aging process. But I wanted everyone at home too to know that there is something going on the Facebook page. So basically, if you go to Nowak Aesthetics on Facebook, they have this thing where you say what you're thankful for, and you can get into this entire contest to basically win a free treatment here. And with these being $1,500 and more, that's a really good savings. So just go online, say what you're thankful for, and get put into a drawing.
Look at that laser go. Nice. All right, Miss Heather, thank you.